In the ashes of despair, hope emerges, light and rare. Like an eagle, we shall rise, rebuilding dreams, reaching skies. With each dawn, a chance anew. Hope's embrace, strong and true. In the ruins, seeds we sow. Hope's gentle whispers grow. Through trials, we find our way. In hope's light, we'll never sway. With faith as our sturdy base, rebuilding in hope, we embrace.
In an endless road of anguish, through the deserted seas grow, where the oceans rage, mountains crumble to the sea, whirlwinds bark, memories wither away. In a still small voice, hope re-echoes. Deep in the valleys of damnation, hope converges, enlightening our paths. In our brokenness, fierce whispers grow. We rise to rebuild. Like a light within our souls, a lamp guides us home with Christ, our risen hope.